So yun nga guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. And matagal din ako hindi nakapagawa ng video kagaya nito guys. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung ano nga ba yung nangyayari ngayon sa Grow a Garden at ano nga ba yung reaction ko and ano yung masasabi ko about ditong update na ito sa Grow a Garden. Dahil medyo hati nga ba or hati nga daw yung community dito or yung reaction ng community dito. So without further ado guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and enjoy the video. Okay guys, for today's video, so pag-uusapan natin ang H500 na nangyari dito sa Grow a Garden. So for me guys, dediretsuhin ko kayo. So itong H500 na ito is parang direct assault sa mga BNS. Alam naman natin na walang pakialam for the past few months, ang daming BNS na nagsulputan sa Grow a Garden. Ever since na dumating yung Grow a Garden sa Roblox, ang dami ng BNS na pumasok sa Grow a Garden, and Grow a Garden did not do anything. So walang may binan, walang may naban ng dahil sa BNS. Unlike other games na pag may nakita silang nagla-live, especially Blocks, Fruits, and other games, nang baban sila ng mga nagbi-BNS or mga nagba-block market sa laro nila. While Grow a Garden did not do anything about it. So etong update na to 500 levels is parang nilevel nila yung crowd. So kumbaga yung mayayaman tsaka mahihirap parang pinantay-pantay nila lahat. Isa itong direct assault sa BNS community together with the collectors kasi parang wala nang silbi or parang andali na lang kunin lahat. So basically lahat ng pets naging OP, kaya abot kamay na lang ng mga normal kagaya nga ng sinabi ng iba na mga mas madali na lang kunin yung mga mahihirap na pet. Madali na lang kumuha ng 15 seconds na mimic, 15 seconds na peacock, and so on. At isa din sa natamaan dito yung RBH Elephant na dati napakamahal. Sobrang mahal dati ng RBH Elephant. So isa din yun sa tinamaan dahil sino nga ba naman ang magpapa KG boost pa kung kahit normal elephant kayang nang mag-maximum ng pet stats. So as you can see guys, kahit 39 kg lang yung base mo or 3.9 kg lang yung base ng kg ng pet mo, umaabot din naman ng 100 kg or more likely mga roughly nasa 180 plus kg din yung inaabot ng isang pet. So not bad, and as I know, kung malalagyan pa ng mutation yung pet at 150 kg, some of the pets have their limits maxed out na. And kahit nasabihin natin walang limit yung isang pet, napakalaking advancement na yon from the past few months na kung ano yung current pet dati and current pet ngayon. Okay? So, yun nga. Pangalawa, this will be a huge attack. I really think, or I really take this, in my opinion, I really take this as an attack in BNS and collectors. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nila tinitira yung BNS and collectors. I mean, like, for the BNS, alam na naman natin na kailangan talaga nilang tirahin yun. Dahil BNS I've been a developer as well, and I know buy and sell or block marketing destroy the game itself. Anything's necessary, yes, it boosts the community, but it kills the game. Kasi imbes na sa game mismo napupunta yung pera, napupunta ito sa BNS. Alam natin yan na hindi kumikita yung laro. Dahil sa BNS, yes, kumikita sila, pero mas malaki ang kinikita ng BNS more than sa laro itself. Kaya tinitira nilang BNS. Pero I don't know bakit kailangan pa nilang ilabas itong shark na ito. So as you can see, this shark eats another age 100 pet with a pet mutation, and then spit the pet mutation at another pet and has a 40% chance to apply it. If it fails, it will increase its age by 90. I mean, for me, this will be an assault for collectors who collected a lots of pets with rare mutation. If this shark comes in and Grow a Garden, so this is a leak, guys, which means hindi pa confirmed na lalabas to, pero nasa index na daw ito ng market, and also nasa index na din ito ng achievements natin. If you click guide, punta tayo ng pets, sa pinakababa makikita mo na ata dito as I know. So ayan na nga, kitang-kita namin dito nga yung shark. So if lalabas yung shark kasi pagkakaalam ko ocean event and it will be next week. I don't know if it's next week or basta it's coming. Yun yung sure doon. Kaya I don't know kung bakit nila tinitira yung collectors. I mean like yes, most of the investments of collectors did not go or hindi nag-undergo talaga or hindi nag-benefit yung game doon. Bagkos nag-benefit doon is your more on BNS. Yes, some of the collectors buy directly Robux based tokens, but some of the collectors did not buy Robux based tokens. Instead, bumibili sila din sa mga nagbi-BNS or nagba-block market. So, I think that's the reason kung bakit sila gumawa ng ganitong move. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is my own opinion only and hope na maintindihan nyo din yon. This is only my opinion. Depende yun sa opinion ninyo. But this is how I see these updates going. And for what will happen to the Grow a Garden community, I really hope na makakapag-adjust yung community for what's happened. And also for the BNS, I know you guys can adjust. And I hope sa mga nalugi, especially sa mga owner ng RBH Elephant, tingnan na lang natin, guys. I'm not saying this will be the end, but yeah, the end will be imminent and possible din yung downfall talaga ng market. Actually, nag-downfall na yung market dito nang dahil sa update nito. And that's it, guys. Yun na yung masasabi ko for this video and I'll see you guys on another video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Peace out.